Hello, my name's Amin. I'm 22 years old. What Jesus means for me is someone I can trust in any situation, who listens to me, who always has my back, who's a confidant, and who I tell everything to. He saved me and he took me out of the dark, put me in the light. It's bright light, light that no one has seen ever before. He resurrected me from the dead and he helped me live my life in His name. Baptism means for me, it means I got rid of my old life, all my sinful life, and I got a new life with God. And I now live His life with Him. And He got rid of all my sins, and He got it washed away with the water I was baptized in. I want to help myself to become a better person in Christ and help other people on the path along the way. Prayer for me means that I can talk to someone that's not actually here on earth, but I can talk to him at any moment, at any time. Prayer for me means I can tell all my secrets, all my happiness, all my things I'm thankful for, all the problems I get every day. And I just can talk to someone who isn't judging me or who has a different opinion than me. That's what prayer for me means.